In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed HTML code to Webflow website builder. So start by opening up your project in Designer. Then next in the left panel, click on the Add button. And now look for the embed element. So you can simply type in embed. And here you'll see the code embed element. So here all you have to do is drag it in anywhere on your page where you want the code to appear. Now click on the embed block and you will see something like this where you can paste your HTML code. So you can include scripts, iframes, or custom elements. And once done, click on Save and Close. Once done, make sure that you preview your site to see the embedded content live. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!